Welcome children in bio class. Children, today I am going to explain you genes. You know the character of a species are transmitted from one generation to another generation. The inheritance pattern of characters indicate that their expression is controlled by gene, and genes are located on chromosomes. So children, I told expression of character is controlled by gene, and gene is located on chromosomes. Chromosomes are found in the nucleus of the cell. In the nucleus of cell, chromosomes are found. So it is clear to you, character transmitted from one generation to another generation, controlled by gene. Gene is located on chromosomes, and chromosomes are found in the nucleus of the cell. So what is a gene? A gene is a unit of information that directs the activity of the cell or organism during its lifetime. It carries the information from the parents to the offsprings. In the beginning of the 20th century, Mendel's factor was hereditary unit, and Mendel's factors was controlling the expression of the character. But later on, W. Johnson told that Mendelian factor which control the expression of the character, that is gene. So, gene is the modern name of Mendelian factor. Gene is the unit of function, unit of mutation, and unit of recombination. So children, I told gene is the unit of function. Unit of function. This unit of function is called cistron. So what is cistron? Continuous segment of DNA which specify one polypeptide chain, that is called cistron. Gene is the unit of mutation. So unit of mutation is muton. A muton is the smallest length of DNA which is capable of giving rise to new form by mutation. So a small length of DNA which is capable of giving rise to new form by mutation, that is muton. It consists of few nucleotides. Next is unit of recombination. So unit of recombination is racon. Racon is the smallest unit that give rise to new forms by recombination. It is the shortest distance between two muton that can allow recombination. Gene is the unit of inheritance. It carries the information from one generation to another generation. There are some concept of genes. As first concept is one gene, one enzyme hypothesis. One gene, one enzyme hypothesis was proposed by George W. Bedell and Edward L. Tatum. And they proposed one gene, one enzyme hypothesis. It means one gene control the production of one enzyme. So one gene control the production of one enzyme. It is the one gene, one enzyme theory hypothesis. Later on, it was found enzyme is made of more than one polypeptide chain. So there was the modification, and now came one gene, one polypeptide hypothesis. It means a gene can code for one polypeptide chain. Besides this, means genes have the code for polypeptide. A gene also code for ribosomal RNA and transfer RNA. The overlapping genes of certain viruses can code for more than one polypeptide. If overlapping genes are, they are coding for more than one polypeptide. Genes in some viruses and higher organisms code for a long stretch of polypeptide. In eukaryotic organisms, gene expression is not continuous. It is split into exons and introns. It means gene can also contain non-coding sequence. Now you have to study what are the properties of genes. Properties of genes. First property is they determine the physical and metabolic characteristics of the cell. They transmit the characteristics from one generation to other generation. Genes are situated on chromosomes. On each chromosomes, several genes are present. Every gene occupies a fixed position in the chromosomes. Genes are arranged in a chromosomes in a single linear order. A single gene may occur in several different forms. A gene may show a sudden change from one form to another form. Gene on one chromosomes may be transferred to another chromosomes by crossing over. Genes express themselves through the production of protein. You have to know what are the functions of genes. Functions of genes. First function is It should be able to replicate and inherited from the parents to the progeny. It should be susceptible to an occasional changes by mutation. It should be able to carry all the information necessary regarding the function of the cell.